This is unboxing. Well, it was an unboxing. It's already unboxed now. But I just got my stuff from e-bike that I ordered. I got this 1-point bungee sling from Matrix, by Matrix. It's a Matrix CQB-R, and it had the sling adapter with it, and I already put that on. It is on the other side too there. You just take off the little buffer tube. You're going to take off the stopper first, take off the buffer tube, slide off the old piece, and then you just slide this on. This piece is metal, which is really nice, and so is the hook. So, and let me see if I can find that. I don't even know where the old piece is, but oh, here it is. This is the old piece that was on there. It was on there like that, with this little knob thing facing into the gun where more gun was. But this was plastic. You can see like the little crease right here and the little manufacturing dots from like where the mold was and stuff. Yeah, so this is metal. This was $20 maybe. It's got this little patch on it. Emerson Tactical Series. But it's from Matrix, so I got this Matrix let me see, lower half face mask. It's a Matrix Iron Face Carbon Steel Striker Gen 2. It's this wire mesh, like covers your ears, and it's got this padding in here. It's yeah, it's weird because the wire, you'd think that the wire would like touch your face, but it doesn't. No wire touches your face at all, which is nice. And then it has this over the head strap and a behind the head strap, which is good. And then for $1, I'm sure you've seen these, it's like a UK Arms M997. It's a crappy little thing, but it shoots. So I was like, hey, for $1, I'll get it. The mag's like as big as my finger. Right there. That tells you how big the gun is. About finger. So yeah, it's just a little, it's light for $1. And then this was my old face mask. I drew the bottom of a skeleton skull on it, and this went like this, but I got this because you can breathe out of it and it doesn't fog up your goggles. But I really like these goggles, so I took the goggles off and they work perfectly with this mask. They just rest right on top, right in here. Yeah, that's all I got. This is my JG M4S system with my little PVC suppressor and a little metal hook on the sling. So hopefully that never will break, at least when I'm using it. So yeah, that's my stuff right there. Not this thing's gone in the garbage, most likely. Yep. Great.